That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better.
Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Denise. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. So today is going to be my first haul. I don't think I've ever done a haul on my channel, but I did receive a couple of packages today. I received my Old Navy order, which is a bunch of Lucas's clothes. I ordered his holiday outfit. I plan on taking a family picture with us Wednesday. I'm filming this on Tuesday, so yeah, hopefully Wednesday before Luke has to go to work, I can manage to get a family photo in for our Christmas postcards or whatever. So I have Old Navy, I have Shein, that's for myself, and I'll show you guys my holiday shirt of choice. I hope you guys like it as much as I do. I don't know if I'll be trying it on because I'm feeling quite awkward about my body these days, so I don't know about that. And I also ordered some things from Amazon, and I'm not sure what's in this box because I haven't opened anything yet, so I'm going to be opening all on camera. See, it's still sealed. I didn't open it yet. Alright, so I'm going to just go ahead and open the Amazon box first. Have my trusty scissors here. This probably is not the best way to be opening this box, as I might cut myself, but yeah, it's not going too good. Okay, yeah, so let's see. Alright, oh, so the first thing is this little I ordered a felt tree for Lucas so that he can put his little ornament, he can decorate his own little Christmas tree, and it's not something that I have to find a new area to store it in. So it looks like this. I'll show you guys a better image of it. And here are all the ornaments, all of his little felt ornaments. I'm not really sure where I'm gonna put it. I think I might hang it or attach it to the wall in the kitchen, or maybe on the back of his playroom door. I don't know. Which one do y'all think? Should I stick it on the empty space of the wall in the kitchen, or should I attach it to his door of his playroom? I don't know. Leave a comment. Okay, so the next bag I'm gonna open is the Old Navy bag. It's pretty big. I think I ordered quite a few pair of shoes for him, because when I ordered this, it was 40% off, and then they ran it into the Christmas stuff was, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Okay, so the first thing that I grabbed out of the bag was these shoes. I know you can't see them great right now. Okay, so I got these shoes, and I purchased them in a size 8. Yep, they're a size 8, and they have $19.94 on the back. I don't know if you can see that. $19.94. And if I can find the receipt, I'll let you know what I think I paid $20 for these. But aren't they cute? They're gonna look so cute on Lucas. So that's shoe number 1. This is shoe number 2. These are little loafers for in the house. He loves his slippers, so I found these, And I do believe maybe these were like $13. But I got them in a size small because the small for Old Navy is size 7 and 8. But aren't they so cute? They have hard sole on them, so we can do some shopping at the Dollar Tree with his slippers on. Ain't no shame. And they have this fur on the inside. Oops, sorry. This fur on the inside is really soft. I should have bought some for myself, but I didn't even look. Now I'm kind of jealous. So that's shoe number 2. Shoe number 3 is, it's a high top sneaker. And I think I got these in the burgundy. Yeah, these are burgundy with a gray, like, little ankle support, I guess. I don't really know. And they have 3 Velcro strips. Look at how white this. Oh, I live for a white sole. So, ain't they tough? These are so nice. These are gonna look so cute on Stanky Panky. He loves some sneakers too. Yep, so cute. And if I'm not mistaken, y'all, I got them in blue too. I did. I haven't bought clothes or shoes for Lucas, probably none this year, because like I told you, I'm not ashamed of hand-me-downs. We have a family friend, well, we have a friend that has like all boys, so she passes down her clothes to Lucas. So I don't, and they are very nice clothes, so I don't usually have to shop for him. So yep, this is the blue pair. And the only thing different about this pair is that this ankle support here is the same color as the shoe. But on this blue shoe, this part right here is corduroy. I don't think you can see that detail, but it's corduroy. Really cute. You know, it's the little things that matter. This is not like that on the burgundy shoe. So yeah, he's got 4 pairs of shoes. This is his sweater that he will wear for his for our holiday picture. And I got this in a 4T. I don't know if you can see it. It's so cute. I love the little button detail here. So cute. And I also got him a shirt to go underneath that. And I just went with the ordinary flannel, red flannel shirt. And that is also in a 4T. His 4T clothing, his tops fit better than his bottoms. His 4T bottoms don't fit that well. So sometimes I go float between 3T and a 4T. Depends on who's making the clothes. So, excuse me, I burp. I feel like I burp in every video of mine lately. Sorry, y'all. And so, let's see what else I got. Oh, I got him a little hat. These were like $5. During the winter sale last week, Old Navy. Little beanie for Lucas. I don't know what this is. Oh, there's some pants. Yeah, so I got these in a 4T, and they're just regular old cargo pants. They have a side pocket. There's a functioning pocket here, and functioning drawstrings, because you know a lot of times with kids clothes the drawstring doesn't function. But yeah, these are in a size 4T. They're like a charcoal gray color. And I got another pair of pants, but I got them in burgundy, and they already come with a cuff. I know they're coming up a little bit more reddish on camera, but they're burgundy. They have a functioning drawstring as well. Side pocket. Nice. Very nice. And the clothes don't have a smell, because oftentimes you'll buy clothes online and they smell really bad. But yeah. Oh, I plan on like pairing these pants with these shoes more times than not. He could even probably get away with his little sleeping pants. I mean, his little sleeping shoes. We don't know. We don't know. It depends on where the day takes us. So that was everything that I got for Lucas. Now for myself, I got these little headbands. I have a really small head, y'all. I don't know what size my head looks like on camera when y'all see these videos, but it's one size fits all. So let's see what this looks like. I don't want to mess up my bun, my top knot, but is that cute, y'all? Am I cute? I think that's kind of cute. Yeah, I like it. Do y'all like it? Say, give it a big thumbs up if you like it. If you don't like it, just don't go buy it for yourself. Because I'm trying to tell you, I think it's cute. And it's going to keep my ears warm. Because sometimes us natural girls, we be suffering in the wintertime because we want to stay cute and we don't want to tear up our edges. But I got another one too. Oh yeah, I got a second one in gray. I will try that on for you as well. So the gray is like a heather gray. It's really soft, y'all. I don't know what the regular price was, but definitely go online and see if they are still offering this Christmas sale on winter stuff. Oh my, I think the gray one is even better. Minus this price tag here. Oh, and my hair is still intact. Do y'all like it? Which one you like better, the gray one or the burgundy one? I don't know. I like them both. Yeah, so I'll be sporting these when winter comes in February. It don't really get that cold here in South Carolina until late January, early February. So that was everything from Old Navy. Okay, so now for my Shein stuff, which came through DHL because I didn't overnight it, but I did request it to come a little earlier than anticipated. Alright, so for the shirt that I'm gonna wear in our holiday photo, this is what I'm gonna show you first. This is how it came packaged in this nice little bag. It says Shein, and it is zippered too. Ooh, I'm fixing to be reusing these bags. Alright. Okay, so here's the shirt. I'll show you guys a different view of this shirt, but for the sleeves, it's got this little scrunchy material where it kind of cinches at the wrist. It's really soft material. There's no odor once again. And the back at the neck area, same scrunchy type of material, and it has 2 buttons. 1, 2. Yep, but nothing will be exposed. No chest cleavage will be exposed during the holiday photo. So that's one shirt. I only ordered 2. And this is the second one. So I really like black and white clothing pieces, but I don't really own that many. And I definitely don't own any polka dots. So when I saw this shirt, I I knew I had to get it. This is what it looks like. Really soft. Now the front of this, I know you really can't see that detail, but it's got like this little, I don't know, it's kind of like, I don't know, y'all. I don't know fashion that well. But anyway, it has a button in the back. Really cute. Don't you think? It's gonna be cute on me at least. So yeah, so that will conclude my haul for you guys. Like I said, it was my first one. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up, so that way I'll know that you like my hauls. And if you do, then I will consider doing another one, because I know not only me, everyone's gonna be buying stuff for Black Friday. So when I do make my purchases on Black Friday, if that's something that you are interested in seeing, let me know. I will share those items with you guys as well. But yeah, if you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.